Hello everyone and welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. Today we're going to try out another one of Coca-Cola's new Creations series flavored colas. Another zero sugar cola. In a previous video I tasted Starlight Zero and figured it tasted like craft caramels with maybe a bit of plum in them. Today I'm going to try out the artist Marshmello's limited edition zero sugar watermelon strawberry flavored Coke. This one's less of a mystery because it says right on there watermelon strawberry. You'd almost be tempted to believe this was Marshmello flavored because this concoction, influenced by the artist Marshmello, who I'm not familiar with, came up with this, and you would think it would be marshmallow flavored, but it's not. It's not marshmallow flavored. It's his two favorite flavors, watermelon and strawberry. The can's nice and cold right now. Perfect time to taste this. I got a cup here to pour it into so we can see what color it is as well. The last one had a red tinge to it, the Starlight Cola from the Creations, Coca-cola Creations. This is what DJ Marshmello looks like. He wears a marshmallow head when he's DJing, and he's got crossed out eyes like he's dead. Okay, let's read a little bit more about it. You can buy Marshmello's limited edition Coca-Cola now. Here's what it tastes like. This is from back in July already. I was lucky to procure one at the Circle K store. They still had a few in there. I'm not sure if they have them now though. Coca-Cola released its newest limited edition of Coke from its Creations line. This flavor is much more normal than Coca-Cola's first two releases, Coke Starlight, space flavored soda, the one I tried, and the pixel flavored Coke Bite. Now, I never got to try that one. Apparently you had to order it online. I had never heard of it. So I've skipped that one and moved on to Marshmello's. But I don't know what pixel flavored would be. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Coke Bite and what pixel flavor it is. This new soda fuses strawberry and watermelon flavors. This is from the CNET website that I'm reading this. And was co-created with electronic producer and DJ Marshmello. I can show you what he looks like. There's you saw him on the can. There he is on the can. Here he is in real life. You can see him DJing there. Thought I had a picture of him without his. Oh, there he is. It actually tastes how the company says it should, with a few other unexpected flavors. Okay. We created a vibey blend of my favorite flavors, says DJ Marshmello, in this all new mix. I think it tastes amazing and I hope fans will love it too. Marshmello said this in a press release. Marshmello is the first artist to co-create a drink with Coca-Cola. Again, I'm not even familiar with his music, of his DJing. Coca-Cola is planning to release even more limited edition Coke Creation beverages. The new Coke arrived in a tall, slender white can with Marshmello's signature logo. To me, it smells like gummy bears that have been soaking in Coca-Cola. Alright, without further ado, there were some spoilers in that article. I think I'm going to edit that out a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drink this and we'll see what I think of it and see what flavors I can taste from it. Hear that? It smells like candy. It smells like strawberry candy. Fruity. Like those hard strawberry candies you get. The wraps that look like the strawberry leaves on it. smells like that. It is very carbonated. Look at all those bubbles. Effervescent. You hear that? There's a lot more. I think there's more cola in this can than there was in the Starlight, but I'm not sure. 355 milliliters. All right. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. My first impression is that it tastes a tiny bit like Starlight one. Only less cola flavor. More fruit. It's really, really good. Normally I don't like watermelon soda type things or drinks. I like strawberry. This is more strawberry forward than watermelon. And it does taste like fruity gum afterwards. Strawberry gum, like Hubba Bubba. It's very good. Not super sweet either, like not cloyingly sweet. I really like it. It's refreshing too, a refreshing taste. It tastes like summer. Summery. So in summary, I really enjoy this. As for what I like better, Starlight or this one, I'm very surprised that I would have to go with this one. It's just got more of a pleasant flavor to it that goes well with soda. Goes well with the soda as the vehicle for this flavor. Yeah, I would say the Starlight is more of a wintry drink with like a caramelly type flavor. This is more of a fruity summer fruit drink. Less cola taste. Yum. This is really good. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching Steve's World of Wonders. Since this is kind of a shorter video, I thought I'd add some more onto it by showing you what I got in the mail. If you want to see some of my videos where I'm opening mail, you can visit the link up here. And if you want to see my Starlight taste test video, it's right there. So what happened here? What's this package? This is, I paid $1 for this from Stickermule. They had a promotion going on that appeared in my Instagram feed. I have a World of Wonders Instagram if you're interested. Check it out. I'll put the link in the description for my Instagram, Steve's World of Wonders. All one word. So I got 10 stickers from Stickermule for $1. Quite a nice promotion. I couldn't pass that up. I wanted Steve's World of Wonders stickers to, you know how in museums they have a guest book at the front sometimes. I saw one when I was in Gatineau. at the Mackenzie King estate out there. They had a guest book, and I wanted a little sticker to put in the book just so it looked nice for Steve's World of Wonders was here and did a video here. If you want to see my Mackenzie King Estate video, click the card in the corner here. You'll see some nice fall colors. Yeah, so I thought it would be nice to put a sticker in guest books where I've done videos. I had one at City Hall too, where I did a video on some interesting art installation there, and you can see that video up here as well. So yeah, so let's check out the stickers. I got circular ones because my logo right now is circular. What's this? Stimulus, it says, with a QR code. This is not a sponsor, by the way. I'm just excited to have stickers for my channel. Maybe in the future I'll have giveaways where I can give out stickers. Hi, we want to build a happier future, so we created Stimulus brands. Don't forget to follow at Stickermule on Stimulus. Okay, so this is a social media app that Stickermule uses. An ad for that. Cheers. Oh, I guess they make coasters too. Here's a sample coaster of a mule from Stickermule. That's cool. I could make coasters as well later. Is this a Canadian company? Oh, they gave me a free Stickermule sticker. That's cool. Anyways. Some more in here. Oh. This is neat. I didn't know all this stuff. All this extra stuff was in with it. That's the company that made my stickers on a sticker. Stimulus sticker. This is awesome. There's my logo. Show the logo. There's my logo. Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. I'm your host, Steve. That's cool. I think I ordered it with a matte finish, so it's not shiny. There's a bit of a sheen to it. So there's about 10 of them there. So that's pretty neat. So whoever in the comments can tell me what type of Coca-Cola flavor would you create? What would be your favorite flavor to go in a cola drink? If you were asked to do a Coca-cola creation, what would yours taste like? What would the initial taste be? What would the aftertaste be? And what would it smell like? This one smells like Hubba Bubba strawberry gum. Alright, that's pretty neat. So the next item here, I found at the dollar store. I needed one of these so that I could aim my camera at things for different shots. I have something coming up where I need to reposition the camera a lot, but have it stay in the same place when I let go of it. It has one of these bendy things. This was at the dollar store, but it wasn't $1. It was $3.50. Still, I've seen these things on Amazon for like $14. So, and this seems pretty good quality. Comes with this. I don't know what this is. Does this hold your camera? Oh, it's a clip. Some sort of ring. This is a clip. So, what is this? Oh, this is this 2 different clips? Is there instructions? No. What's this knob? Is this broken? I hope this isn't broken. How does this work? Oh, this goes on. here. I see. And this part clips onto your desk. Alright. This clips onto your nose. So, this is weird, man. How does this go? This is a clip. Alright. Where does your phone go? I'm not sure. Well, sort of goes like that. Here, let me get the box. I see. It's actually threads. There. Close it like that. This is a socket. Here we go. This is stuff here. Yeah, good. Alright, anyways, you get the picture. It works. Stays where you leave it. And there's a bit of jiggling. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a great time. It's been nice chatting with you. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks again for coming by and having a look at my channel. This has been Steve from Steve's World of Wonders. Thanks for watching Steve's World of Wonders. Bye for now. Cheers, everyone.